Time calculation. To know the timing of different countries, one has to calculate. The whole calculation process is known as time calculation. एक देश में कितने बजे होंगे उसको पता करने की विधि को हम टाइम कैलकुलेशन कहते हैं. What do you mean if minus sign is given in front of any country's GMT time? Whenever any country's GMT is having minus sign, it means that country's time is behind GMT. जब भी किसी देश के GMT के साथ माइनस साइन हो तो उसका मतलब है वो देश GMT से पीछे है. What do you mean if plus sign is given in front of any country's GMT time? Whenever any country's GMT timing is having plus sign, it means that country's time is ahead of GMT. जब भी किसी देश के GMT के साथ प्लस साइन हो तो उसका मतलब है वो देश GMT से आगे है. By which formula one can find out time difference? If two countries GMT time is given in plus, then one has to minus it. जब दो देशों के GMT टाइम प्लस में दे रखे हैं तो माइनस कीजिए. For example, like this, if both the cities are given plus sign, then always minus it. If two countries GMT time is given in the minus, then minus it. जब दो देशों के GMT टाइम माइनस में दे रखे तब भी माइनस कीजिए. Like this, when one city is having the minus sign, second city is also having the minus sign, then minus it. If one country's GMT timing is given in plus and the other country's GMT timing is given in the minus, then always plus it. जब एक देश के GMT समय प्लस में दे रखा है और दूसरे देश का GMT समय माइनस में दे रखा है तो प्लस कीजिए. प्लस माइनस प्लस. If one country's GMT timing is given in the minus and other country's GMT timing is given in plus, then one has to plus it. जब एक देश का GMT समय माइनस में दे रखा है और दूसरे देश का GMT समय प्लस में दे रखा है तो प्लस कीजिए. माइनस प्लस प्लस. We have to use this formula to find out the time difference. By which formula one can find out local time? When left hand side time is given and you want to find out the right hand side time, always plus it. When left hand side time is given and you have to find out right hand side time, always plus it. And when right hand side time is given and you have to find out left hand side time, always minus it. Now here we have to understand what is left and what is right. Now I'll make you understand this when I will solve the questions. अब हमें यहाँ ये समझना होगा कि इसमें लेफ्ट क्या है और राइट क्या है. तो मैं अभी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करता हूं, एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करता हूं, उससे आपको पता लग जाएगा कि व्हाट इज लेफ्ट एंड राइट. Very first question, calculate the local time in Harare, Zimbabwe if the time in Thimphu, Bhutan is 3:50 October 27. Now means थिम्पू भूटान का टाइम दे रखा है और हमें हरारे जिम्बाब्वे का टाइम निकालना है. नाउ वी हैव दिस क्वेश्चन, थिम्पू QJC, Thimphu's code is QJC and timing is 3:50 and the date is 27th October and we have to find out Harare, Zimbabwe. मीन्स थिम्पू भूटान का टाइम दे रखा है और हमें हरारे जिम्बाब्वे का टाइम निकालना है. तो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द जीएमटी टाइमिंग ऑफ बोथ द सिटीज. सबसे पहले हमें जीएमटी टाइम फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा दोनों सिटीज का. नाउ हियर दिस इज इंटरनेशनल टाइम कैलकुलेटर टेबल. इन दिस टेबल ऑल द कंट्रीज आर गिवन इन द अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर. इनमें सारी कंट्रीज के जीएमटी टाइमिंग्स अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर्स में दे रखे होते हैं. तो वेरी फर्स्ट इज थिम्पू भूटान इज +6. First we'll find out the GMT time. Thimphu Bhutan's GMT time is +5 +6 and Harare is in Zimbabwe. Now Zimbabwe's GMT timing is +2. Next step is we'll find out the time difference. Now for the time difference, here both the cities are having the plus sign. दोनों cities में plus sign है. तो formula says always minus it. Then the time difference will be 4 hours. Next is we'll find out the local time. Now for the local, to find out the local time we have +6 and +2 and the time difference is 4 hours. Now here we have 3:50 and the time difference is 4. Now here we have to determine, यहाँ हमें ये डिटरमाइन करना होगा कि 3:50 में से 4 घंटे प्लस करने हैं या माइनस करने. तो to find out this we'll draw the line like this. Let's say this is our world. Now this is GMT 0 degree. This one is plus time zone. This one is minus time zone. Now both the cities are having the plus. That means +2 is somewhere here and the second one is +6 somewhere here. Now this one is my left and this one is right. ये मेरा left है, ये मेरा right है. +2 is Harare. Harare we have to find out, question mark. And the +6 is Thimphu Bhutan. Thimphu Bhutan we are already having. In this particular question we have right hand side time is given and we have to find out left hand side time always, and the formula says when right is given left find out करना है तो always minus it. तो अगर हम 3:50 में 4 hours minus करेंगे we'll get the answer. Now here we cannot use the calculator. हम यहाँ पे कैलकुलेटर नहीं यूज कर सकते बिकॉज ये फिगर्स नहीं है, ये टाइमिंग्स है. और टाइमिंग्स में 60 मिनट के बाद नेक्स्ट घंटा शुरू हो जाता है. एंड इन द केस ऑफ आवर्स here in this industry we use only the 24 clock time. 24 clock time means 12 के बाद 13. We never ever call it as 1 o'clock. We always call it 12 के बाद 13. So हम 350 में 4 hours माइनस करेंगे. ये रहा 350. For to calculate we'll use this table. 350 में माइनस करेंगे 4 hours. 1 2 3 4. The answer will be 2350. जब हम when we are using this table for the calculation purpose तो प्लस करते वक्त नीचे काउंट करेंगे और माइनस करते वक्त ऊपर काउंट करेंगे. और अगर आपने टेबल को यहां से ऊपर से क्रॉस कर लिया तो प्रीवियस डे आएगा, और अगर टेबल को काउंट करते करते नीचे काउंट किया तो नेक्स्ट डे आएगा. सो नाउ 350 में 4 आवर्स माइनस करना है. दिस इज 350. 1 2 3, 4. The answer will be 2350 and the date will be 26 October because we cross the table from ऊपर से टेबल क्रॉस किया तो डेट विल बी 26 अक्टूबर 2350 26 October the answer. Calculate the local time in Barranquilla, Colombia if the time in Montevideo, Uruguay is 1:15 October 4th. यहाँ पे हमें Montevideo, Uruguay का टाइम दे रखा है और हमें निकालना है Barranquilla, कोलंबिया का. So we'll write down the question. सबसे पहले हम क्वेश्चन को लिख लेते हैं. Montevideo is 1:15 एंड डेट है 4th October एंड निकालना है बारांक्विला, कोलंबिया. मॉन्टेविडियो में 1:15 4th October है. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द टाइमिंग ऑफ बारांक्विला, कोलंबिया. द वेरी फर्स्ट स्टेप इज विल फाइंड आउट द GMT टाइमिंग ऑफ बोथ द सिटीज. To find out GMT timing of both the cities, we'll refer to this international time calculator table. Very first is Montevideo, Uruguay. Uruguay is -3. And the second one is Barranquilla. Barranquilla is in Colombia. And Colombia is -5. Now here both the cities are having the minus sign, and when both the cities are having the minus sign, what the formula says? Plus, plus, minus, 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 minus. One city is having plus sign, one city is having minus sign. Always plus it, minus, plus, plus. This is the formula which we have to use to find out the time difference. Now here both the cities are having the minus sign. दोनों cities में minus sign है. What this formula says, when both the cities are having the minus sign, then always minus it. The time difference will be two hours. Now the third step is we'll find out the local time. Now we have 1:15 and the time difference is 2 hours. हमारे पास 1:15 है और 2 घंटे का टाइम डिफरेंस है. Now here we have to determine whether we'll plus it or minus it. अब हमें यहाँ ये डिटरमाइन करना पड़ेगा कि 1:15 में हमें 2 घंटा माइनस करना है, प्लस करना है. तो we'll draw the line like this. Let's say we'll assume that this is our world. This is 0 degree. This one is from plus minus. Now here both the cities are having the minus sign. दोनों cities के minus में sign है, तो minus is somewhere here. Let's say -3 is somewhere here and -5 is somewhere here. Now ये -5 मेरे left में है और ये मेरे right में है. This one is my left, this one is my right. Now we have to find out what we are having and what we have to find out. Now -5 किसका है? -5 बारांकुला का है. बारांकुला we have to find out. Question mark. And then -3 is Montevideo, and Montevideo we are already having. Now here we have right hand side time is given and we have to find out left hand side time. When right hand side time is given and we have to find out left hand side time, always minus it. तो 1:15 में अगर हम 2 घंटे माइनस करेंगे we'll get the answer. तो now we'll use this table for our calculation. हम इस टेबल को यूज करेंगे अपनी कैलकुलेशन के लिए. प्लस करते वक्त नीचे काउंट करेंगे, माइनस करते वक्त ऊपर काउंट करेंगे. तो now here 1:15 में 2 घंटा है, तो 1:15 में this is 1:15, तो 1 and 2. The answer is 23:15. and the date will be 3rd October. 23:15, 3rd October. Calculate the local time in Port Moresby, Papua New Guinea if the time in Luanda, Angola is 9:25 March 15. यहाँ पे लुआंडा अंगोला का टाइम दे रखा है, that is 9:25 and we have to find out Port Moresby. Port Moresby is in Papua New Guinea. So सबसे पहले हम लुआंडा का टाइम है 9:25 and date is 15 March and हमें फाइंड आउट करना है पोर्ट मॉरेस्बी. नाउ लुआंडा का टाइम दे रखा है 9:25 15 March and we have to find out Port Moresby. Very first step is we'll find out the GMT of both the cities. For this we have to refer to International Time Calculator table. Now we have this table. Luanda, Angola. Angola's GMT time is +1 and Port Moresby is in Papua New Guinea and Papua New Guinea's GMT time is +10. Next step, we'll find out the time difference. And what this formula says, when both the cities are having the plus and always minus it. So the time difference will be 9 hours. Now the third step is we'll find out the local time. In this we have 9:25 and 9 hours difference. 9:25 and 9 hours difference. यहाँ पे हमें ये डिटरमाइन करना पड़ेगा कि 9:25 में 9 hours प्लस करना है या माइनस करना है. सो विल ड्रॉ द लाइन लाइक दिस. लेट्स से दिस इज आवर वर्ल्ड. ये GMT है 0 डिग्री. दिस वन इज प्लस जोन माइनस जोन. ना यहाँ दोनों टाइमिंग जो है प्लस जोन से है. हियर द +1 इज समवेयर हियर, +10 इज समवेयर हियर. ना ये मेरा लेफ्ट है, ये मेरा राइट है. Now +1 is Luanda we are already having, and +10 is Port Moresby. We have to find out. Question mark. Now इसमें लेफ्ट दे रखा है, राइट फाइंड आउट करना है, and what that formula says, when left is given, right find out करना है, always plus it. तो 9:25 में अगर 9 hours हम प्लस करेंगे, we'll get the answer. Now this is 9:25, ये रहा 9:25. प्लस करते वक्त what this table says, काउंट करो नीचे को. 9:25 9 hours प्लस करना है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. The answer will be 18:25 and the date will be remain same. डेट सेम ही रहेगा क्योंकि हमने इस टेबल को नीचे से या ऊपर से क्रॉस नहीं किया है. तो 9:25 में 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. The answer will be 18:25 and date will be 15 March. (1825) 15 March. Calculate the local time in Honolulu, USA. This is Honolulu is in Hawaiian Island. If the time in Pyongyang, if Pyongyang is in North Korea and the timing is 9:30 August 15. Now first we'll write down the question. अगर Pyongyang में 9:30 15 अगस्त है तो उस टाइम Honolulu USA में क्या टाइम होगा? Now first we'll write down the question. Pyongyang, FNJ. 9:30, 15th August, and Honolulu. We have to find out. यहाँ प्योंगयांग का टाइम दे रखा है, and we have to find out Honolulu timing. Then the very first step is we'll find out the GMT timing. For the to find out the GMT timing, we'll refer to International Time Calculator table. Now we have this table. Very first is Pyongyang. Pyongyang is in North Korea. This is Korea Democratic People's Republic of, and the GMT timing is +9. Next is USA. USA is further divided into different time zones. Now this Honolulu is in Hawaiian Islands, and the Hawaiian Island GMT timing is -10. Now we'll find out the time difference. To find out the time difference, we'll use this formula. Now here we are having, one city is having plus sign and the second city is having minus sign. एक city में plus sign है, एक city में minus sign है. What this formula says, when one city is having plus, minus, then always plus है. Then the time difference will be 19 hours. Next step is we'll find out the local time. Now here we have 9:30 and 19 hours difference. 9:30 में हमें 19 hours प्लस करना है या माइनस करना है, ये फाइंड आउट करने के लिए we'll draw the line like this. We'll assume this is our world, plus degree, plus zone, minus zone. Now here very first city is from plus zone. यहाँ पहली city जो है वो plus zone से है, and plus zone is somewhere, +9 is somewhere here, let's say, and the second city is -10. -10 is let's say somewhere here. ये मेरा left है, ये मेरा right है. Now we have to find out what we are having and what we have to find out. तो -10 है Honolulu का, Honolulu we have to find out, question mark. And +9 is Pyongyang. Pyongyang we are already having. Now यहाँ right दे रखा है, left find out करना है. Then what the formula is, when right is given and we have to find out left, always minus it. So 9:30 में we'll subtract 19 hours, we'll get the answer. 9:30 में अगर हम 19 hours माइनस करेंगे, we'll get the answer. For this we'll use this table. 9:30, ये रहा 9:30, माइनस करेंगे तो ऊपर काउंट करेंगे 9:30, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 16 16 17 18 19. Answer will be 14:30. And the date, हमने ऊपर से टेबल क्रॉस किया, the date will be 14th August. (14:30) August. Calculate the local time in Alma-Ata, Kazakhstan if the time in Lilongwe, Malawi is 12:45 May 11. यहाँ पे Lilongwe, Malawi का टाइम दे रखा, that is 12:45 May 11, and we have to find out Alma-Ata, Kazakhstan. So first we'll write down the question. Malawi का टाइमिंग है 12:45 and 11th May, and Alma-Ata, we have to find out Alma-Ata timing. Very first step is we'll find out the GMT of both the cities. For this we have to refer to International Time Calculator table. Now here Almat is in Malawi. First we have to find out Malawi plus 2, and Almat is in Kazakhstan. Now here for the Kazakhstan we have standard clock time as well as the daylight saving time. Both the timings are given. यहाँ पे कजाकिस्तान के लिए हमारे पास स्टैंडर्ड क्लॉक टाइम भी है और डे लाइट सेविंग टाइम भी है. सो विल कंसिडर दिस डेट. तो नाउ आवर डेट इज 11th May. 11th May ये डे लाइट सेविंग टाइम आपने कब से कब तक लेना है? व्हेन यू आर ट्रैवलिंग बिटवीन 27th March एंड 24th September. और our passenger is traveling on 11th May, then obviously we have to consider the daylight saving time for our calculation. Then the plus 6. Next step is we'll find out the time difference. Time difference में both the cities are having the plus sign. दोनों cities में plus sign है, तो what the formula says? minus it. The time difference will be 4 hours. Next step is local time, and to find out the local time we have 12:45 and 4 hours. यहाँ 12:45 में 4 hours we have to determine कि plus करेंगे या minus करेंगे. So we'll draw the line like this. 0 degree GMT plus zone minus zone. Now here very first is plus 2 is somewhere here. And the second one is plus 6 is somewhere here. Now ये मेरा left है, ये मेरा right है. Now we have to find out what we are having and what we have to find out. तो plus 2 किसका है? Malawi, and Malawi we are already having. And plus 6 is Almaty we have to find out. Now in this question we have left is given and we have to find out right hand side time. What the formula says, when left is given, right find out करना है, always plus it. तो 12:45 में 4 hours plus करेंगे, we'll get the answer. Now for the calculation purpose, we'll use this table. 12:45 में 4 hours, 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer will be 16:45 and the date will be 11th May only. Because we haven't crossed the table, so date will be remain same, date same ही रहेगी, and the answer will be 16:45 11th May. 16:45 11th May.